Welcome, this is the UP Run launching.
Ayun, mga UB, we are very excited for this event since this is our very first event for this year, and at the same time, we will be also launching our new products and of course yung grand launch ni UB. So, stay lang kayo dyan lahat and have a good day.
On behalf of UB Philippines, I would like to welcome you all and express our sincere gratitude for gracing us this event.
Samahan niyo po kaming magbilang. Handa na po kayo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Ladies and gentlemen, the new product line of UP Philippines! The new product line of UP Philippines!
We have the patented glutathione, again patented. Mayaman po ang UP Philippines sa ingredients na patented. Kasi ayaw namin na wala kang pa, kapag nalang sinasabi namin sa yung benefits ng product.
I'm happy to announce that MDP Ventures and UB Philippines magkasama na po sila. Natin. Yun. Grabe, buhay ko naman ng mero. Alin? Yung mero, colon. Yun. Yung tokokot po natin is nakaubos tayo ng almost 3.5 million boxes in 5 years. Ayan.
Napaganda po nung ating barley, pure, diba? So marami po kasi naghahanap ng mga walang halo. So that is why, nilabas po natin yung ating barley pure. And of course, no need to think.
So, introducing to you guys the rice. Palakpakan naman naman. So, what we're doing here is we want to help the individuals to have skills and Facebook as
Mr. Nowhere.
So, first, salamat po lang sa lahat ng our employees. Palakpakan natin. Business partners. Okay. Sabi ko sa inyo, ang chairman ng Shatar, kailan po, ang chairman ng UB is ako din. We decided also, pag ikaw ay Shatar, Matic, meron kang free account kay hindi mo na kailangan bayad. Hopefully, makikita ko yung mga nangyari dito sa pagpapanin natin at makasama ko kayo sa lahat ng marami dito sa ating. Thank you very much.